It is a lot chillier than yesterday.
It is a lot chillier than yesterday. It was like springtime yesterday, Sarah.
It was. You know, it was one of the warmest New Year's days in Boston in several decades. Pretty impressive. 1973, and that's how long it was. The observed high. Warmest New Year's Day. There you go. Couldn't get that out there. 59 degrees. It happened shortly after 11 o'clock in the morning, and then the temperatures began to tumble through the afternoon. But yes, it felt like spring, not so much like the start of 2019. Because look at the temperature change now. It is nearly 20 degrees colder in many spots across the region than it was this time yesterday. 35 in the city currently, 37 in Norwood. Upper 30s, mid to upper 30s, typical what we see for the start of January. So we're near normal now. We do have some sunshine, some filtered milky skies with some of these high clouds moving in across our southern areas. But what we're also watching is this area of clouds along with a period or area of snow right now. This is going to be slowly moving eastward, and as it does so, it will increase our clouds later on tonight and bring us the chance of some light snow mixing with rain by the morning commute. So let me show you hour by hour. This afternoon, temperatures staying in the 30s. Winds are lighter, better than the blustery conditions we had yesterday. As we go towards the evening drive, staying dry, but the clouds increase, and after midnight, we'll start to notice the risk of some snow beginning to break out through western New England. This will continue to advance. Notice temperatures below freezing across the region as we'll be back mainly into the 20s. So by the time, if you're an early morning commuter, be prepared, especially north of the Pike. We could see some slippery spots as we'll be watching for mainly snow. But it's fairly light, and this is going to be a quick mover. Nonetheless, down across the southeast, as winds turn out of the southeast and temperatures warm above freezing, it will change over to mainly rain, and that will likely be across the coast too. But from the early morning commute to the late part of the commute, we'll be watching for periods of light rain and snow. And then it's out of here. By midday, we're back to drier conditions. Winds develop out of the northwest, and that will help break up some of the clouds by the afternoon, and temperatures will warm above freezing. So upper 30s, low 40s is where we're headed tomorrow, and of course that will help melt anything that does fall. It looks mainly like coating to rain being washed away across our coast into the east, but once you get inside of 128, 95, could see patchy coatings up to an inch. Best bet, further north you go, where it stays mainly snow, and across the higher terrain like the Worcester Hills into parts of New Hampshire, out through the Berkshires, you could see up to a couple of inches. Not a big event, but the timing, it's during the morning commute. So while we have the colder conditions for today, notice our temperature trend back to above average. So again, anything that does fall, it's not going to stick around. What we're watching for Friday is dry conditions, mild conditions, and then as we head into the weekend, watching this developing system, looks as though it may bring us some rain into Saturday. The exact track we'll still have to watch very carefully because there is some indication it could push further to the south and east. But inland, if it does come close enough, we could be dealing with a wintry mix, some freezing rain, but mostly rain across the Boston area and points south. By Sunday, it's out of here, it turns pretty breezy, and we're going to be watching for temperatures to fall, but not really too much. In fact, let me show you my 7-day forecast, because while we'll see the warm up into the 40s, we'll be watching for that system very closely over the weekend. We'll notice temperatures still in the 40s, but breezy on Sunday, and then back into the 30s early next week with perhaps another chance of some rain snow by Tuesday. Chris?
All right.